In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube video thumbnail using Leonardo AI. First off, we're going to navigate over to the Leonardo AI app. You can easily find it online by searching for Leonardo AI. Once you're on the main page, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This will take you to a login page where you'll see various sign-in options. For today's tutorial, we'll be using Google Authentication. Simply click on the Google button to proceed. At this point, you should select your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. After you authenticate your account, you'll be redirected back to the Leonardo AI interface. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard and click on Image, which will lead you to the image generation section within the app. Once you're in the image generation section, you'll notice a model option. Click on it to access various image models Leonardo AI has to offer. Among the options available, choose Legacy. This option hosts a range of proven tools and techniques valuable in crafting professional-looking graphics. Following this, scroll over and click Graphic Design. This selection ensures you're working with a model that's specifically optimized for creating designs such as YouTube thumbnails. An advantage of this model is its ability to understand the visual storytelling essential for engaging YouTube content. Now is the time to get creative. In the designated area, you'll type in your prompt. A well-crafted prompt is crucial. Be specific about the subject and feel of your YouTube video. Think about the elements you want the thumbnail to capture, whether it's vibrant colors, particular imagery, or even the setting. If you have specific images in mind, you can also upload these as references to further guide the AI in its creation process. Once your prompt is ready, press the Generate button. Leonardo AI will now go to work, using its algorithms to create a selection of thumbnails based on your input. This process might take a little time, so be patient as the AI crafts multiple options for you to choose from. After the thumbnails are generated, review them to select the one that best matches your vision. Remember, a compelling thumbnail is often the key to attracting more viewers to your video, so choose wisely. Congratulations, you've successfully created a YouTube video thumbnail using Leonardo AI. Don't forget to download your chosen image and apply it to your video. With Leonardo AI, the power of professional graphic design is at your fingertips, allowing you to create engaging, high-quality thumbnails that will enhance the appeal of your content. Keep experimenting and you'll master this tool in no time. Thank you for watching and happy creating.